haven't ice skated in a while. Today I'm super excited because we are unboxing my Akaso 360 camera, and this is my first 360 camera, so I'm super excited to see what type of shots we can get. I got the standard combo. I did go to Best Buy in order to get a selfie stick and an SD card. I really do not know what to expect. We're gonna go ahead and test those out. So before we even get to the skate park, we are going to unbox this thing, do a little bit of a comparison to the X3 by Insta360, and we're gonna see how this budget-friendly camera really holds up, what type of shots we get, how's the ease of use. And so if you stick around, I'll go ahead and get right into it. So we got our hands on the Akaso 360 action camera, and this is the standard combo. All right, so we got a QR code. So we are going to download the Akaso 360 app in order to do some edits, but this is the camera right here. Oh my God, I can't believe I got this thing. So it's super compact. It's about 4.5 inches tall, and it's pretty lightweight. Like, it has a little bit of weight to it, but it's not super heavy. Let's see what else we have inside of the box before we start looking at the camera. So you have your quick start guide. You got a little protective pouch. Oh, I love that Akaso. They always give you at least 2 batteries. You have your USB-C charging cable and a cleansing cloth. So that is everything in the box. So protective pouch. It's like stretchy. So this is a different style battery than the one that comes with the Brave 7LE. Now, I'm really excited for when they're going to drop the creator combo, because you're going to get 3 batteries in that one and an actual battery charging case. So I'm going to have to get my hands on those accessories. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and get to the nitty gritty. Let's go ahead and look at this camera. It's really looking like the style of the Insta360 camera. So yeah, buddy. Oh my goodness. So looking at the side of this thing, so you have where you can insert that battery. You have a USB-C, looks like a microphone or a speaker on both sides, and you have that power button. So let's go ahead and get one of the batteries in here and see what we're working with. Oh wow. So it's snappy. It actually like snaps back, so it's not as loose as the Brave 7LE. So we'll go ahead and line this up. All right, so let's go ahead and turn this thing on. Oh, okay. English. Yes. Oh my God. Alrighty, so this is turning it on. So we have that 5.7K resolution. Everything's touchscreen, so I can go to 1, let's see, make it a little bit wider, and then 2. Whoa, this is crazy. It's so trippy. Okay, so I guess the first thing to say is that I've never used a 360 camera before. And so when they say that this is your first 360 camera, it really resonated with me. So it looks like this battery already came with 2 notches on it. What's this button? Okay, maybe we're not doing anything. Okay, so the resolution. So you have 25, 24 frames per second, 4K 60, 4K 50. You have it in every frame. 4K at 24 frames per second is the lowest you can go on this camera. Oh my goodness, but we're definitely going to use the highest resolution. So let's see if I can just dial there. Let's scroll down. Oh my goodness, this is so crazy. Okay, so I wonder, let's click here. Okay, that's not clickable, but it's telling me that I'm doing video. That's there. Ah, okay, so now we have volume. Okay, Go back. Volume, you can lock it. What is this? Ah, brightness. That would make sense. Oh, wow. Okay. What is this? Indicator off. Indicator on. Okay. Ah, okay. So we got wireless connection, lens protector, auto stop for temperature, mic gain, anti-flicker. Ah, so the different hertz. Okay, so that looks like there's more flicker than here. So we're gonna put that there. Lens protector. I don't know what that does, but okay. Let's see. Record log, gyro. We are going to format the card. So quick capture. What's quick capture? See, I'm probably going to have to go ahead and look at the user guide. See, wireless connection. So camera hotspot, reset connection. That's super cool. And then what's this? Ah, screen locked. Okay, swipe up to unlock. Okay, that's cool. So let's scroll back down. All right, cool. So we went through all the settings. Let's go ahead and format our card. Okay, so this time I did not get any of the Akaso SD cards. I actually went to Best Buy. I got the 64 gigabyte SD card, and because I could not find their invisible stick because it comes with the creator combo, I got an Insta360. We're not going to tell Akaso, okay? We're just going to use what we need for our shots today. So this is the invisible selfie stick that I went ahead and got. All right, so I got my micro SD card. So now I have like 1,000 of these. So just like where the battery sits, you're going to open this up. It's so snappy. And then we're going to get this thing in here. All right, so card is in, locker down. Oh, dang. Well, how'd I do that? So that went to photo and that went to video. Oh, okay. So you use the power button in order to go from video and picture. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and format this card. So now it's saying 58 gigabytes, even though it's a 64. So we're going to go to the settings. All right, let's format the card. And we're going to format the SD card. It's formatting. Oh, that was super quick. Okay, boom. Now we got the SD card. It's still saying 58. And then, whoa. Okay, now I'm just figuring out things. So we got exposure. What is this, manual? Oh my goodness. Okay, I don't know anything about that. So if you know anything about settings like that, then definitely let your girl know. But for right now, I'm gonna keep the exposure on 0 because I want to see what this looks like right out of the box for you guys. So what if I do this? Ah, media files. Okay, that's cool. So I love that it's touchscreen. I think that's the coolest thing ever. And then here, and then here, exposure, and then here, media files. Okay, and then this is how you switch to photo, and you can even put a timer on it, and then boom, you're back to video. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take this out to the skate park. I wanna get some shots for you guys to see how this camera performs. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's turn her off. We have made it to the skate park. Well, we've made it to the park. The skate park's over there, but I have to get ready, okay? And I'm super excited because I've never used a 360 camera before. So I really think all of this is going to be a first impressions for real. My skates are a little dusty. I'm a little rusty. We're gonna see if I can capture some really good footage with this camera. I'm gonna go ahead and get these skates on right here, and we're gonna get the Akaso 360 set up, and let's go make some content. Man, I ain't skated in a while. So check out these shots. I scraped the ground with it. So when I went to the skate park, I didn't know what I was doing. I barely knew how to turn it on, to be honest. I did play around with it just a little bit. Now, I will say, as a note, if you're downloading the Akaso app and you're about to go and use your camera, please make sure that you check and see if there's an update. I went to the skate park prior to downloading the app and actually connecting my camera, and I found that my camera had a update. Now, I didn't lose any footage. It did not take away from the shots that I did take. So let's go ahead and compare the Akaso to Insta360's X3. So they are the closest related when it comes to 360 action cameras. So Insta360 did just drop the X5, but if you're not a pro, you won't need all of those features. So the Akaso 360 camera is about a $200, while the Insta360 X3 is about $100 more, sitting at $299. I mean, they both do 360 shooting, both have the 5.7K resolution. So honestly, if you're a beginner, the Akaso 360 is a really good bargain. I do like that the Akaso has the 360 super smooth and horizon lock just to capture those really smooth shots. Now, the X3 and the Akaso 360 both have fixed lenses, which means that you can't really change them out. You're gonna want to try to invest in a lens guard. So as soon as Akaso drops those, when they drop their creator combo on August 15th, I will be going ahead and grabbing one of those. But honestly, for the price, Akaso is doing their thing. Like, they've done it again. They've provided a budget-friendly way for you to break into the industry with creating content with a camera. So I will be using this for some really cool shots. I've gotten some off of the skate park, but you got the AI tracking, you got the invisible stick effect, and you also have this killer app. Like, I don't even know if people are really talking about this. So Insta360 does have an app as well, but Akaso is just doing a really good job of providing that for you, even on a budget. This is perfect for beginners. I'm a beginner. So when they say that this is your first 360 camera, they aren't lying. Like, I was able to take it right out of the box and go to the skate park and use it. So let's get into some of those shots that I was able to capture while at the skate park. I was able to go for a wheel spinning shot. I went ahead and I extended my selfie stick super tall, so I was able to turn it down and capture my wheels as they were spinning. Now, the cool thing is a lot of what you're going to be doing with your shots, or how you're actually going to produce your content, will be in the app. So a lot of the editing, that's when you're going to be able to reframe. You're able to do 9 by 16, 16 by 9 for YouTube, and you're able to create content for whatever platform you need it for. Now, another shot that I really liked was the invisible selfie stick effect. So I was able to just extend my camera, or extend my selfie stick, and put it over my shoulder, so it was able to capture just like I had a drone. Now, I am not in the budget category in order to get a drone right now, so this is the closest thing I have, and it was super fun. Now, I will say, if you are doing any moving shots where you are putting your camera super low, I already got a little scuff mark on my camera. I scraped the ground with it. So she got her first little bruise. It would be really nice for Akaso to create a frame just like Insta360 went ahead and created one, just so you're not getting any type of scuff marks like I did on the first time shooting with my camera. But overall, it isn't waterproof. It is weatherproof. So please be careful with your tip. But yeah, that's a wrap for my Akaso 360 unboxing and first impressions. I'm loving how easy and fun this camera is. I got my skate park content, but I'm super excited to try out some of the other effects they have in the app. Drop a comment if you are going to invest and get you one of these budget friendly cameras, or if you would like to see any other shots. I'll be uploading some shorts from my skate park content in order to show you guys what you can do with this as a beginner. Till next time, I'll catch you in the next video.